In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create self-destructing notes in Notion using a simple calendar-based workflow. This is perfect if you want notes or tasks that naturally disappear once they're no longer relevant, helping you keep your workspace clean, focused, and clutter-free. Whether you're using Notion for daily planning, task management, or quick notes, this method is incredibly practical. And before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, productivity workflows, and software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go to your Notion workspace and open the page where you want to create your self-destructing notes system. In this setup, we're using a calendar view because calendars are great for sorting tasks and notes by day. This makes it easy to visually track what's relevant today, tomorrow, or later. Once your page is open, make sure you're viewing your database as a calendar. If you don't already have a calendar view, you can add one by clicking on Add a View and selecting Calendar. Now that your calendar is visible, you'll see tasks or notes that can be assigned to specific dates. Next, take a task or note that you want to associate with a particular day, and simply drag it onto the correct date in the calendar. This step is important because the date is what gives the note its lifespan. By assigning it to a day, you're essentially deciding when this note is relevant. Go ahead and repeat this for any other notes or tasks you want to schedule. Drag all relevant tasks into the calendar so each one is tied to a specific date. As you do this, you'll notice that your calendar becomes a clear visual map of what matters on each day. Now, once your tasks are organized by date, the next step is to reduce visual clutter. Click on the toggle icon next to a group of tasks or notes to minimize them. This helps hide tasks that are no longer important right now, especially older ones. Minimizing these sections makes your Notion page feel lighter and easier to navigate, which is exactly what we want when building a self-destructing notes system. After minimizing the toggle, click on the three-dot menu beside that toggle. This menu gives you additional options for managing those notes. From the menu, click on Delete. When you delete these minimized notes, they're removed from your workspace, effectively self-destructing once they've served their purpose. This is the key idea behind this workflow. Notes live for the day they're needed, and once that day passes, you can quickly remove them to keep your system clean. You can repeat this process daily or weekly, depending on how often you review your notes. Over time, this habit ensures that outdated information doesn't pile up in your Notion workspace. And that's it. You've now learned how to create self-destructing notes in Notion using a simple calendar-based approach. This method is easy to maintain, flexible, and works great for daily tasks, reminders, or temporary notes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and productivity workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.